Welcome back to the adventure. This is Adam, and today we're looking at the order Windows updates should be installed. We will get started right after this. As you can see here, there are a lot of updates available for Windows Vista, 215 to be exact, according to the last check for updates. This is after Service Pack 2 and the 4 updates we installed manually. Click the card above for that video. So does it matter what order the updates are installed in? That depends on how much time you want to spend installing updates. You could let automatic updates handle everything, but that takes an extremely long time, and some updates that are not needed will be downloaded and installed anyway. If there were an order of operations, it would be Service Packs, Update Rollups, Internet Explorer, Developer Tools, Security Updates, then Platform Updates. Service Packs should be installed first, because they include all the updates released previously, and in some cases can be cumulative, meaning that all of the features and fixes in the previous Service Packs are included as well. For example, you can install Windows XP Service Pack 3 on a clean installation with no Service Packs. This will save a significant amount of time over applying individual patches and hotfixes. Next, we have the Update Rollup. Not all versions of Windows have one, and these typically are done in place of a service pack. For example, Windows 2000 received an update rollup opposed to a 5th service pack. So after Service Pack 4 is installed, you would next install the update rollup over any individual updates. Now we have Internet Explorer. As you may have noticed in this massive list of updates, we have security updates for Internet Explorer 7. However, we can and will be installing Internet Explorer 9, making the IE7 updates obsolete. Similar to Internet Explorer, we have developer tools like the .NET Framework. Previous to version 3.5, we would have to install all previous updates individually in order of release. Thankfully, Windows Vista supports .NET Framework 4.6, which is a cumulative package, so we can save a ton of time over installing other updates that will be obsolete. Then we have security updates. Being so far down the list is counterintuitive. However, some security updates are not needed, like the ones for IE7 we mentioned earlier. We also have new security updates in the list because we now have Internet Explorer 9 and .NET Framework 4.6 installed. Note that the security updates should be installed in the order of release and no more than 5 at a time. You can select all the security updates, but if you encounter an issue after the PC restarts, you'll be rolling back all the security updates as well. With a list this large, it's hard to determine what update caused the issue, so it's best off doing them one at a time, or in small groups, no larger than 5. At the bottom of the priority list, we have platform updates. These updates have a generic name, like Update for Windows Vista for x64-based systems, and they have vague descriptions, like Install this update to resolve issues in Windows. These updates are important and should be done, but they can be done last. Subscribe for more videos on retro tech and legacy software every Thursday. Thanks for stopping by. See you next video.